Hi friends, welcome to the business studies class. In this module, we are going to learn about the term commerce. Commerce includes two types of activities. They are trade and auxiliaries to trade. Buying and selling of goods is termed as trade, but there are a lot of activities that are required to facilitate the purchase and sale of goods. These are called services or auxiliaries to trade, and it includes transport, banking, insurance, communication, advertisement, packaging, and warehousing. Commerce includes both buying and selling of goods, that is, trade, as well as auxiliaries such as transport, banking, etc. Commerce provides the necessary link between producers and consumers. It embraces all those activities which are necessary for maintaining a free flow of goods and services. Thus, all activities involving the removal of hindrance in the process of exchange are included in commerce. The different types of commerce are trade and auxiliaries to trade. Now we are going to learn about the term trade. Trade is an essential part of commerce. It refers to sale, transfer, or exchange of goods. Trade helps in making the goods produced available to ultimate consumers or users. Trade may be classified into two broad categories. They are internal trade and external trade. Internal trade means domestic or home trade. It is concerned with the buying and selling of goods and services within the geographical boundaries of a country. This may be further divided into wholesale and retail trade. When goods are purchased and sold in bulk, it is known as wholesale trade. When goods are purchased and sold in comparatively smaller in quantities for final consumption, it is referred to as retail trade. External or foreign trade consists of exchange of goods and services between persons or organizations operating in two or more countries. If goods are purchased from another country, it is called import trade. When they are sold to other countries, it is known as export trade. When goods are imported to export to other countries, it is known as entry port trade. Next topic is auxiliaries to trade or aids to trade. Activities which are meant for assisting trade are known as auxiliaries to trade or aids to trade. These activities are generally referred to as services because these are in the nature of facilitating the activities relating to industry and trade. Transportation, banking, insurance, warehousing, and advertising are regarded as auxiliaries to trade, that is, playing a supporting role. In fact, these activities support not only trade but also industry and hence the entire business activity. Auxiliaries are an integral part of commerce in a particular and business activity in general. These activities help in removing various hindrances which arise in connection with the production and distribution of goods. Transport facilitates movements of goods from one place to another. Banking provides financial assistance to the manufacturer and trader. Insurance covers various kinds of business risk. Warehousing creates time utility by way of storage facility. Advertising provides information to the consumers. In other words, these activities facilitate movement, storage, financing, risk coverage, and sales promotion of goods. Activities which are meant for assisting trade are known as auxiliaries to trade. These activities are generally referred to as services because these are in the nature of facilitating the activities relating to industry and trade. Transport, banking, insurance, warehousing, and advertising are regarded as auxiliaries to trade, that is, activities in playing a supporting role.